Hi everybody. So this is the second video in my series on the roots of cubic equations. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to derive the cubic equation when we're given its roots. And we'll be using each of these equations that we derived in a previous video. So if we have a general cubic equation given in this form, then we can divide every term by a. So we'll have x cubed plus b over a x squared plus c over a x plus d over a, and this will equal 0. And we can work out these coefficients using these equations. So the first thing we need to work out is alpha plus beta plus gamma, and these are the three roots. So we say that the sum of the individual roots, alpha, will equal the 1 plus the 2 plus the 5, and this will give us 8. And we know this is negative b over a. We can work out the sum of its product pairs, which we note as the sum of alpha beta, and this will be equal to alpha beta, so 1 lot of 2, plus alpha gamma, so 1 lot of 5, plus beta gamma, so 2 lots of 5, and this will give us 17. So this 17 we know is the c over a term. And then we can work out the product of our three roots. This will be the alpha multiplied by the beta multiplied by the gamma, and this will give us 10. And this is the d over a term. So now we can substitute each of these coefficients into our equation. So x cubed, and because we're given a plus b over a, and this is negative b over a, then the coefficient of x squared will be negative 8. So we have to negative this positive 8 to get the coefficient of x squared. We can see the c over a term, we know is 17, so plus 17x. And this d over a, we know is negative alpha beta gamma, so this will be negative this 10. And this will be equal to 0. So now we have the cubic from the given roots. For part C, we're going to follow the same idea, but I want to show you how we can do it using the memory function on our calculators. So I'm going to enter alpha, beta, and gamma into the memory of my calculator. We can enter the 2 by pressing the STO button. Now we can store this as the variable a. So I'll press alpha and a, and you can see it's stored. We'll clear that, and to enter 1 plus I need to go into complex mode. So we'll press mode, we'll choose complex, then we'll have 1 plus the I. And I'll press store, and I'll choose the variable b. We'll clear this, and then we'll have 1 minus I for our gamma. We'll press store, and I'll choose the variable c. So this will make it much easier when we substitute them back into the equations. So to work out the sum of the roots, well, we can go to alpha plus beta plus gamma, and this will give us 4. We can work out the sum of the product pairs. This will be alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus beta gamma, and this will give us 6. And then we can work out alpha beta gamma as alpha times beta times gamma, and this will give us 4. So now we know that negative b over a is 4, c over a is equal to 6, and d over a is equal to negative 4. Okay? And then we can substitute each of these into our equation here. So we've got x cubed minus the 4 to make this positive, x squared, plus the 6x, and then we need a negative 4 to give us a d over a term. So this becomes positive 4, and this will equal 0. Okay? In the next video, I'm going to show you how to find different expressions involving its roots when we're given the cubic coefficients.